Well, DC News Now is helping you stretch your dollar. And tonight, we're looking at a recent report that says hospital websites have collected data from potential patients without them knowing it.
And now there's a growing pushback from an organization backing patient safety and experience. DC News Now consumer reporter Ben Dennis joins us live in the newsroom.
And Ben, what does this all mean for consumers, and how can they prevent personal information from being collected?
Hey there. Well, this all comes down to patient privacy. Recently, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services had said that hospitals cannot use tracking on their websites to collect consumers' data and then turn that over to third parties, saying that this would be a violation of HIPAA. Now, HHS made this connection after a news report by The Markup last June. It's an online-based outlet focusing how tech and big corporations collide. Now, the report said a tracker installed on many hospitals' websites collected patient-sensitive health information like medical conditions, prescriptions, and doctor's appointments, and sending it over to Facebook. Now, here's how consumer protections are outlined by the feds. Groups regulated by HIPAA, like hospitals, cannot use tracking websites regardless if someone has an online account to log in. Phone apps also apply here. And separately, ECRI, which is an organization providing insight into healthcare operations, they sounded alarm recently about the issue, pointing to a University of Pennsylvania study citing almost 99% of hospital homepages had at least one data transfer over to third parties.
We have not been made aware of a particular instance where a patient was harmed because of, having been advertised the snake oil remedies or unproven procedures or unproven therapies. But the likelihood is great, right? Because of the amount of data which we accessing every single day, the amount of time we spend on social media.
Consumers can delete the cookies websites collect online. A cybersecurity expert tells DC News Now, visit your web browser privacy settings and select delete cookies. Choose to scrub the past day, month, or even longer, depending on your preference. And information that's also not tracked while consumers are online, that happens when they choose incognito or privacy mode, depending on their browser. There are more ways to identify data collection on our website at dcnewsnow.com. In the newsroom, Ben Dennis, back to you.